Understanding the phrase, crash out. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a very interesting English phrase, crash out. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in various situations. Let's get started. Before diving into the combined phrase, it's important to understand the individual words. Crash. It often means a sudden, loud noise, like when something breaks. It can also refer to an accident, especially involving vehicles. Out. This word, in the context of the phrase, usually signifies an exit or an ending. When we use crash out in everyday English, we often don't mean a literal crash. Instead, we're usually referring to one of two scenarios. 1. Falling asleep very quickly. After a long day, you might crash out on the sofa because you're so tired. 2. Being eliminated from a competition or event. A team might crash out of a tournament if they are defeated unexpectedly. Example sentences: I was so tired after the hike that I just crashed out as soon as I got home. Our favorite team crashed out of the World Cup in the semifinals. Knowing synonyms can often help in understanding the essence of a phrase. For falling asleep, conk out, zonk out, drop off. For being eliminated, bow out, be knocked out, exit. Crash out isn't just limited to everyday conversation. You might also hear it in songs, movies, or sports commentary. Pop culture often reflects the way language evolves, so being aware of such uses can help solidify your understanding. Example: in sports, commentators might say, the defending champions crashed out in the early stages of the tournament, much to everyone's surprise. And there you have it. Now you know what crash out means in different contexts and how to use it effectively. We hope you found this video enlightening. Keep exploring the English language, and until next time, happy learning!